Alright, y'all, we have us a Baldwin field repair. As you can see, they're not supposed to do that. So something's messed up and we have to take care of it. Looks like it's been opened up before. So we're gonna first get started and locate a pair of pliers to remove this pin. Even though we may not need to pull the latch out, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the pin anyway, because sometimes you have to pull the latch out to fix certain things, and I do this before I attach it to our block. And it's always hard to grab. Let's see if we can't grab it with these. I think this is what I keep these in here for. Yeah. Alright. Now, on to opening her up. Yep. Yep. And yep. Methinks the spring is broke. Oh look, that was already loose. That's one thing that'll tell you something's going on. It was tough getting out of the door because of that loose screw right there. Screws aren't supposed to be loose. Alright, and let's pop her open. See which spring is broken. Spring. Or see what's going on with it. I've got a broken what you call that. So this ring needs to come off. It's not necessarily necessary to have that on there, but it is good to have. Looks like it's going to be a bent arm from trying to lock it with the door off center. So I need to go grab my special Nippex for this, and we are going to bend this guy back. You can see how screwy it is there. Alright, we're going to grab that there. And grab that there. Oh, it's not doing so hot there. That's got a definite twist in it. Okay, so now I'm going to clamp it like right there. Twist that up. Whew. Okay, now I'm going to twist the whole thing down. Oop. There we go. It's looking good. Looking good. Goo it up. Center this. Goo it up again. Put this guy in here like it's supposed to be. Put our screw back because we're about to have tension on it. And our spring is actually good. So we're just gonna take this back out and screw it down to where it needs to be. And put our spring in here. Perfect, perfect. And perfect. Sealed all the way around. Let's get a little Loctite on these guys. Oh, shit. It's expensive. Nope, that's not even in the right hole, is it? Alright, tighten down. Tighten down. Tighten down. Tighten down. Wipe off. Clean it out. There we go. And we should be good. Give it a try. Beautiful. Okay, we're good to go. And that is field repairing. One of the common problems with Baldwin mortise locks, especially when the strike plate is off and you've been having to fight it. Don't forget your little pin. You've been having to, you know, like lift your door and fight it and push and pull. That's what can happen to your mortise lock if you don't get it fixed fairly quick. So we're going to put this back on the door and adjust the plate so that it's locking correctly. It's not the hinges. Everybody always says you never check the hinges. That's because in Mississippi it's never the hinges. Maybe other places, but not here. Or I guess I should say very rarely is it the hinges. Alright, and tweak. There we go. I'm good. I guess I should buy a smaller repair, but nah. Alright, for this guy, number one, we need a couple of Mylar washers for the knobs because they're a little bit loose, and this provides a smooth surface and just helps it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the way and pull out. Oh, the truck's on a hill here. I don't know if this is more bent or just needs help. It's sticky glue. This one's never come apart, but it is a little bit wonky. I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart just in case. Check out what's going on inside. And again. Oh, let's go ahead. Put our screwdriver in right there. And try to tap this so that it's straight. Kind of like that. Oh, kind of like. Nope. Nope. Kind of like that. Now. Wish I still had some of that Loctite in my hand. Here, let's go ahead and just scrape around so the whole label doesn't come off. I've serviced this guy, rekeying it a number of times, but I've never taken it, obviously, all the way apart. Alright, and oop. Let's see what's going on here. It's good. That part is good. And that part is bent just a little bit. So, thought it had a little bit of bend in it when I first saw it. About like this, looks like. And about like this, close to that. Alright, so overall this one is just sticky. It's got like heavy grease in it. And that is not great. Also, what's not great is I ordered lubricant Friday, and okay, hold up. I have not gotten a for sure shipping notification on it yet. Methinks a certain company needs to stop TikToking during the day and shipping out orders that come in. Okay, come on off. Remember this guy? It's looking okay. I'm curious about that. No, it is straight. Okay, we're good. Just wanted to check it. The latch can get bent too. Alright, remember when you're putting this guy back together that it needs to go. With this little tab through your hole there. Gotta watch that. Let's see what we got going on here. You get in there, you get in there, and you get in here just like this. No, you go. You go on that side of that. Yep. Here, boop, boop, boop. And boop. Yeah, this was good but sticky. Toop. Okay, good. Where'd our other screw go? This one's about to go under spring tension, so you have to have this screw to hold it all together. Let's get this little lake out of here. Okay, and wrap around, down, stay. Boom. Check it all the way around. Since we've taken them off, and go ahead and do this carefully. Okay. Don't forget your feeble bobble here. As always, let's kind of tweak this a bit, so make it easier to go in. Do wiggle, boom, and side and twist. Good to go, I guess. I think we're good. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. And we'll catch you next video.